8 foods that will help you look 10 years younger. Age is just a number, but feeling younger than you are can help you keep a youthful glow and an adventurous spirit. Diet plays a vital role in our health, longevity and our skin. Here are 8 anti-aging foods that can help keep your skin looking young and beautiful. 1. Berries. Whether you prefer strawberries, blackberries, blueberries or a handful of all three, snacking on these delicious fruits are great for your skin. Berries contain antioxidants that prevent or delay some types of cell damage. They also have the power to reduce joint swelling and pain. Blueberries in particular can improve cognitive abilities and help prevent diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia. 2. Avocado. Avocado is a superfood that contains healthy fats. Eating just 1 avocado a day can reduce your cholesterol levels and support the process of skin regeneration. Avocados provide your body with vitamin C, potassium and antioxidants, which can help keep your skin looking young and healthy. 3. Citrus fruits. You probably know that citrus fruits are a primary source of vitamin C. They also contain folic acid. Grapefruit, oranges and other citrus fruits can help decrease cholesterol levels in the body and uric acid in the blood. Consuming them regularly will help prevent circulatory problems and heart conditions. Drinking lemon juice first thing in the morning will allow your body to absorb all of its nutrients while detoxing your body. 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with nutrients. They contain vitamin A, vitamin C and folic acid. Lycopene is the antioxidant responsible for the red color of ripe tomatoes. This antioxidant is 14 times greater than the resveratrol found in red wine. It protects the skin against UV radiation while working to prevent cardiovascular, degenerative and infectious diseases. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is becoming increasingly popular for its amazing health benefits. It has anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties, which makes it a beneficial spice for seasoning your dishes. It's also believed to help slow down the aging process, provide your body with energy and boost your mood during times of stress. 6. Carrots. You've probably heard that carrots are good for your eyes, but they have plenty of other health benefits. The beta-carotene in carrots converts to vitamin A in the body. It helps the retina and other parts of the eye to function smoothly. It also protects the skin from photoaging, which is premature wrinkling of the skin caused by exposure to UV rays. 7. Garlic. While your breath after eating garlic isn't always pleasant, spicing up your food has its health benefits. Garlic contains antifungal and antibacterial properties. It balances cholesterol levels, improves blood circulation and can even reduce the risk of certain cancers. This spice is a natural anti-aging superfood. 8. Dark chocolate. Finally, a good reason to cater to your sweet tooth. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants that help your skin protect itself from UV damage and fight free radical damage, while hydrating the skin. Just make sure you're eating the good quality stuff.